context over content. Bakit excited akong suportahan to? Kasi bihira ang sales organization, specifically yung ganitong organization na naniniwala sa ganito because all they know is content. Now, let's talk about it. No? Nakwento ko na bang magaling ako mag-drawing? Kasasabi ko lang, di ba? Hindi ko pa tapos yung drawing, mahuhulaan nyo na kung ano to. Ay, grabe, hindi pa nga tapos. Yes, it's a mug. Right? Now, yung mug ba, pwede kong lagyan ng tubig?
Yes.
Bato?
Yes.
Gatas?
Yes.
Kahit anong pwedeng ilagay ko, pwede.
Yes.
Klaro tayo? So in the sales and sales management context, maybe in sales, yung pwede kong ilagay, we call that content. What is that?
Content.
Kung ano yung pwedeng ilaman. Yung content natin maybe in terms of what? Recruitment. Tama ba?
Yes.
Maybe activation. Tama ba? Maybe keeping people. Retention. Maybe performance. Or maybe also take a look at on promoting people. Motivation. All the things that we do as a sales manager, sales director, are the content. Which means these are most probably the how and maybe the what, which is the target, the product, etc., etc. Here's the thing. Most of the training that we give, that we got, is all of this. And it's always available. How come yung performance, pareho naman yung training, para yung sistema, para yung structure, how come yung performance nag-iba-iba? Nagtataka ba kayo?
Yes.
It's simply because we were all wired up to focus on content, which sometimes work, most of the time doesn't. Sa totoo lang, lahat naman ng training, lahat naman ng mga program na available dyan, nagwo-work naman eh. Even all the exercise program, all this and that, all the eating program, if it's health that you want, it all work. Except that, nakalimutan natin, may mas importante sa content. Mas may importante sa laman. Which is what we call context. And the context is never the how, it's not even never the why, it's not even never the what, but it's always the who, which we never work on. And if you notice, since yesterday, up until now, I never gave you all the how, all the what, all the why. But did you notice you guys were performing on your own? You guys were creating the result that you want without me giving the content. But all I did was just to push you to a certain level of who you are and what you're capable of. Then the solution, then the result just follows. So which means, even if I give you all our house, even if I give you all of our strategy, all of our templates, which is normally given in any other seminar, any other training, true or true, but walang nangyayari kasi hindi nag-focus sa who. And kadalasan, yung container, yung context, is hindi ganun ka-solid. Laging may crack. Kaya lahat ng natutunan natin, down the drain. Tapos hahanap ka na ng ibang coach, ganun pa rin. Hahanap ka ibang training, ganun pa rin. Not knowing hindi yung content ang problema, kung hindi yung context. Kasi the content may come and go. The strategies may change. Diba? Nung 2020, ang ganda ng planning, biglang nagka-COVID, boom, gone. Yung magandang context, umangat. Yung pangit ang context, lumagpak at tuluyang mawawala. Not unless hindi ako mag-focus sa self-leadership ko, sa self-mastery ko, sa self-expansion ko, walang mangyayari. Is this clear? And that is where I want to expand you. Kasi sa totoo lang, no, useless lahat nung ginagawa nating training ng mga how, paulit-ulit nakakapagod. If we're not focusing on the who. In fact, in my own sales team, yung lahat ng how, we don't take care of it. Because it's all available in YouTube. Tama ba? It's all available in ChatGPT. In fact, I learned that you have a digital training platform. It's all there. O bakit bokya pa rin? Kasi maybe tayo as a leader, hindi tayo nakafocus sa who. Lagi tayo nakafocus sa how. Kasi kung yan ang focus natin, yan din ang focus ng tao natin. And I want you to overemphasize this because when push comes to shove, pag nagkainitan tayo, pag malayo tayo sa target, balik pa rin tayo sa how. Ipitan pa rin, pigaan pa rin. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm not saying it's good, but I'm saying here is that how you want to operate? Pigaan, pressurean, pahiyaan, compare, left and right. It's tiring. That only work in my generation, guys. But in this new generation, specifically Gen Z, pwede nyo silang pigain, pwede nyo silang i-pressure kung clear sa kanila ano yung context ng ginagawa mo. Kung clear sa kanila what's the bigger picture. But they can only do that when they see you as a leader, walang crack. Solid. As above, so below. Have you heard that? Kung gaano kagulo ang team ko, kasi ako yung pinakamagulo. And that's where I want to overemphasize you guys being here with me. Are we learning? Kasi lahat naman may why eh.
Yes.
Diba? Mahirap na nga, pangit pa.
Award.
Ang lalim na ng motivation mo, bakit purita ka pa rin? Kasi baka kulang sa who. Maybe people I think you came in here with already a clear who you are. Kaya nga maganda i-train itong mga bagets. Kasi wala pang who na na-mold sa kanila sa workplace. Klaro? So ano yung who? Remember yesterday when I asked Marla to stand up? Okay? What created her leadership? Okay? It was never the instructions. It was just she's open to speak that I don't know anything. Help me. We're all responsible for this. But this is not working already. All of this is the who. This is the context. So instead of me telling people what to do, which is what we call instructional and informational, which only works maybe maximum 7%, when you start harping on the who, the how will follow. So again, I'm not saying instructional is important. What I'm saying here is, even if we don't give instruction and information, when the who is clear, the how will appear. Klaro ba? Kaya, Para sa akin, bawal marinig sa akin ang hindi ko po alam. Ang gusto ko, hindi ko alam, coach, pero aalamin ko. Babalikan kita. You know, sa totoo lang, no, I love working with these kids because they're more learned than me. I'm submitting myself to what? Reverse mentoring. Hala, anong nangyari? Gaganon si Jed. Patingin, patingin. Tapos pupunta lang sa YouTube. Coach, okay na po. Klaro ba yon? Simply because they were trained to take responsibility. Tsaka dito sa amin, bawal na yung, sorry po, hindi ko nagawa. No, I don't take sorry. That means you're not committed. I'm not gonna buy your shit. Klaro ba?
Yes.
That's where we wanna focus who we are so we can train our people to be who they need to be, who they want to be, and then the how will just follow. Yun lang naman yung pinagkaiba for people who's making it. Patalinuhan ba ito?
No.
Pagandahan ba ito?
No.
Kung hindi, kung sino mas committed?
Commitment.
Sino mas makapal ang muka?
Ako.
Sino ang talagang porsigado? Sino ang walang drama? Sino ang walang arte humingi ng tulong? Yun lang yun. If the how-tos were enough, can you say that right at the beginning? If the how-tos, we will all be skinny, happy, and multi-millionaire. Totoo ba? Oh. If the how-tos is just enough. But para sa akin, who is? Now, sa totoo lang, mahirap hanapin yan, Raymond. Tinuturo yan. Kaya nga, mas gusto ko, swerte kayo because you're now in the era wherein maraming population ngayon ng Gen Z na ang gusto nilang buhay, yung katulad sa atin na we own our time, we are our own boss. Ang tanong, paano mo sila saluin? Paano mo sila makuha? Paano mo sila mapatrabaho sa inyo? And it's working with me, guys. I've been doing this since 2013. People who I got since 2013 up until now are there. All right? They were pirated and I set them free. They all go back to me. Some of them went to the US because it's their dream. May pamasahe pa yan at meron pa baon. But they all got back to me. Why? Because it's really taking a look at on who is raising them. That's why your new context right now as leaders, as managers, is to be mentors. Pero paano ka mag-mentor kung wala kang ka-mentor-mentor? Di ba?
Yes.
Magbigay lang ng feedback, ayaw. Mag-thank you lang, ayaw. Ano yun? Klaro ba?
Yes.
Talagang pinipiga ko kayo ngayon at gagalitin ko kayo para one day, pag nag-meet tayo, sasabihin mo sa akin, oh, dahil sa panginsulto mo, nagbago ako. Eto na ako ngayon, multi-millionaire.